He's like going fast. He's going fast. He's moving fast. Yeah, because he wants to get away. You see a video of him?
Mm-hmm.
Is he a boy or a girl? I think he's a boy. Me too. I'm saying boy. He dropped some, see?